Hi, I'm Ricky.
I'm Christy.
This is my sister.
This is my brother.
Yeah.
We're a brother-sister duo.
Yeah.
Or
yeah.
at least a sibling conglomeration.
There you go.
That's it. And we are...
We're on Mars.
We're on Mars.
Go figure.
We're on Mars.
There we are.
Yeah.
Mars.
Who knew? I mean,
know.
that 6G
It's been in the
technology
news.
is pretty
You've had the
amazing,
Mars landing and stuff. We're like, let's go.
Let's go.
Everybody is so nailed down with, with travel restrictions and being safe and all that stuff. So we thought we'd come up here and bring it to you.
Yep. No COVID up here. So we said, let's head for Mars.
We're still wearing a mask, though, to be safe.
Mask to be safe. Absolutely. So we would like to take you with us to Mars. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah. So what's that all about, Christy?
What is it all about?
I asked you first.
Let's talk about what this is. So we create an online event experience. It's part adventure, part creativity, a lot of community. It's a way to just go somewhere else without ever having to leave your home, which we think is a good thing these days.
Yeah, it is.
So it's part adventure. Ricky and I have teamed together to create a little 3-part mini-series, just a fun little series of adventure on our finding the portal to Mars, coming up to the Martian surface, and interacting with the Martian landscape and creatures.
Yep.
And that's the adventure part that you'll share during the weekend of our mission to Mars.
So we've taken a little bit of creativity, a little bit of cleverness, a little bit of dollars, and tossed it in with a bunch of whimsy, scrambled it all up, and we created this whole adventure.
Exactly.
So this adventure is basically just trying to make it as real as possible for you. And we've done this before on different events, and we've had really good feedback on these kind of things to try and really just eke the most out of it to make it as real as possible.
People have been excited about it. So we just want you to join us and join these other fun people who have already been part of our experience and have a really great fun time. That's the whole point.
Right. How often do you get to say, I went to Mars this weekend?
Exactly.
Right?
And you could even get the coffee mug to prove it. I mean,
You can.
Exactly so.
Or the T-shirt or the hoodie or the...
Or any of the swag, the Mars swag, in case anybody needs to know if you actually went or not. So how do you sign up for that? Well, there is a description in the link that will click you right over to see more information. It's a very reasonably priced event, and we even have a payment plan to make it less impactful on your budget. So there should be an easy way to sign up and join in on the fun.
Definitely.
Yep.
And that's the whole point, is make it easy to have the fun.
Yes, and there will be a creative component. Now, not everybody wants to do the creative part. That's okay, but many of you do. Many of you are fans of mine and have done these creative things before. And we will have 4 different projects with a Martian theme, but lots of fun to play with it. So I think you're really going to have a good time with
so
these
plenty of
projects.
adventures. There'll be lots of communication back and forth with all the live chats and stuff. With basically
sharing.
Centers on a Facebook group, which points to different videos on YouTube. It's really quite a lot of fun. I mean, it's just, everybody just interacts and just has a great time. There have been all kinds of great new friendships forged just from these different events and activities. It's a lot of fun, and each time we come out of it...
Would we lie to you
just
about how great it is?
Yes.
I mean, if you cannot trust these faces, who can you trust? So, join us with our mission to Mars.
Yeah.
We want you to come with us. We need more ground control members to make sure that everything goes well, and we're looking at you to be one of those. So, check the link, come and sign up, holler if you have a question.
Come join us.
Come on with us to Mars.
Thanks.